In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger domain to Google Workspace, step by step. We'll walk through adding your domain in Google Workspace and verifying it through Hostinger so everything connects correctly. Before we start, make sure you can sign in to your Google Workspace admin console and your Hostinger account, since we'll be switching between the two. Begin in Google Workspace. Open the admin console, go to the account area, then find Manage Domains. Here, choose Add Domain. We're adding it as a secondary domain, which is perfect if you want to use this domain alongside your main one, such as creating separate email addresses under a different brand or project. When you type the domain, be sure to enter it without www. If you accidentally include www, delete it so only the base domain remains. Confirm that you're adding a secondary domain, then select Add Domain and start verification. Google will prompt you to verify ownership. Choose the TXT verification method and click Continue. You'll see a TXT verification code. Copy it carefully. Keep this tab open. We'll come back to click Verify after adding the record at your domain host. Now switch to Hostinger. Sign in, go to your dashboard, and open Manage for the domain you're connecting. Head to the DNS or name server section, then scroll to Manage DNS Records. Add a new TXT record. In the name or host field, enter the @ sign or leave it blank if that's what Hostinger recommends. This targets the root of your domain. For TTL, match the number Google provides or use the default recommended by Hostinger if it's already aligned. In the TXT value field, paste the verification code you copied from Google. Save or add record. You should see a confirmation that the record was added. Return to the Google Workspace tab and click Verify My Domain. Verification often completes within a few minutes, but it can take a bit longer as DNS changes propagate. If it doesn't verify immediately, wait a few minutes and try again. Once it succeeds, you'll see your domain listed as a verified secondary domain in Google Workspace. From here, you can choose to activate Gmail for this domain if that's part of your plan, but at this point, the connection and verification are complete. If you run into issues, double check that there's only one TXT record for verification, that you used the base domain without www, and that the record sits at the root. Patience helps. DNS updates can take a moment to settle.